Welcome back to Jack Media. In this tutorial, we'll create a stunning typewriter effect using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This effect will give our text a dynamic animation, perfect for welcome screens, landing pages, or engaging website banners. Let's break it down step by step. HTML structure. First, let's start with the HTML structure. The title of our project is Typewriter Effect. Make sure you link your CSS file. Here are our JavaScript files linked here. Make sure you typed same thing as you see. A small mistake will make your work not to function. So watch it carefully. Now go to the body and wrap the text inside a div with a class named textbox. Inside this div, we place an h1 element that contains the word welcome followed by a span element. This span will hold our dynamically changing text, which is controlled by JavaScript. To ensure everything displays correctly, CSS styling. Now, let's move on to styling. The first thing we do is reset default browser styles using the universal selector, ensuring consistent spacing and layout across different devices. We then define styles for the text box container. It takes up the entire viewport height and width, making sure our content is centered both vertically and horizontally. The background of this section includes a gradient overlay combined with an image to create a stylish effect. For the text styling, we set a bold font, adjust the size for responsiveness, and add spacing between elements to improve readability. The animated text inside the span is given a distinct color to make it stand out, to enhance the realism of our typewriter. effect, we also add a blinking cursor. This cursor is styled separately and animated with a keyframes effect, making it fade in and out continuously. Now, let's bring our text to life with JavaScript. To achieve this effect, first, we make sure our script runs only when the page is fully loaded. Then, we initialize a new instance of Typed.js, targeting the span element inside our heading. We define an array of phrases such as to jack, media, subscribe, and like this video. These phrases will be displayed one after another in a looping animation. The type speed and backspacing speed are adjusted to create a smooth effect, ensuring the text appears natural and engaging. Lastly, we hide the default cursor from Typed.js since we already created our own custom blinking cursor using CSS. With all the code in place, we now have a beautifully animated typewriter effect. The text smoothly transitions between different phrases, the cursor blinks realistically, and the overall design looks professional. This effect is perfect for making any website more interactive and eye-catching. You can easily customize the text, speed, or even change the background to match your branding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Jag Media for more amazing web development projects. See you in the next video.